all of you are safe, healthy and happy. So this video is about very interesting thing, and it is about staying immobile. So have you heard about this word immobility? So what does that mean? Immobility means that when you don't move, when you don't move physically, so you are immobile situation. But what about if I tell you to practice this immobility in your mental state, or during some heavy upheaval emotions or turmoil? So this is one very great way of practice. And what you need to do is, when there is two things which you need to practice immobility in your life. If you feel that often you are being dragged by people emotionally, or you face certain situation which is not supportive for you, or people are emotionally blackmailing you, or they are reacting and they are throwing out their anger on you, their reactions are bad for you. If you face all these situations, the very interesting fact of practicing something which doesn't basically make you vulnerable is immobility. But now, how do I practice this immobility? Is it that easy? No, it is not that easy. But what you need to do is, for practicing immobility, the two things you need to practice: when somebody is shouting at you, or somebody is angry, somebody is jealous, and their kind of emotional outburst is on you, the very first thing which you can do is to understand that person's perspective. Now, when I say this, we really don't like to understand other people's perspective, especially in situations when they are so rude to you. But this is what we need to do. So we need to follow this, that we need to understand their perspective. Now, if a person is already very solved and mature emotionally, he or she would never react on situations which is not that big enough to react in that way. But then, if the person is still reacting for no reason, that means that person is not emotionally mature. When that person is not emotionally mature or emotionally intelligent to handle their emotions, why after why do you want to receive that, first of all? And if you have actually received it, then why would you like to react on certain things which you find so immature? So what you need to do is to practice. You need to pause for a while, and don't take that thing on personal level first. When you don't take that on personal level, you can see the perspective from that person, for of that person, like just being in their shoes. Probably they had a bad day, or probably they, as I said, they haven't matured enough, or they don't have that kind of skill to handle their emotions. Now, why would you want to react and spoil your mood and day and energy for that? So when you go and understand the perspective of other person, it will not come easy. Let me just tell you, it is not such a handy way of dealing people's emotions and toxicity. But what you can do is, you can save your own energy. You can let your energy reserve for better things, and you can be immobile, as immobile you can be. It's just like physical immobility. If I tell you to play statue, and I ask you to stand there and be a statue, what do? You basically stand there because you want to win the game, right? So this is also a kind of winning your life situations. So what you need to do is just stand like a statue. Don't react, don't answer them back, just listen to them, because they might want to lament, they might want to speak out, because they have so much in their mind and their heart. So you just do that, or you be in their perspective, try to understand why this person is shouting, what is the issue. If it is a personal reason because they are jealous of you, then again it is a positive thing, that you must be having something in your life, in your personality, to be jealous of. If it is something which you feel that they have this bitter habit, then also you can understand, and you can just avoid that bitter habit of receiving that bitter habit. So if you don't receive it, you don't get it. That's as simple. So try to be immobile, don't try to receive it, try to be in their shoes, understand their perspective, and don't accept it and don't receive it. This will help you not to react impulsively and drain your energy. I hope it helps you. It needs practice, so you need to work on it to achieve the status you want as a person, emotionally mature you want to be, and emotionally intelligent you want to be. So be mobile. Thank you so much.